What is up guys, my name is Ren. So this video is going to be so much interesting, so watch till end. So guys, we are living in the era of technology, or could I say making money online. So YouTube is not just an app of entertainment of people, and also making some people are making millions of dollars from YouTube, like PewDiePie, Logan Paul, which are living in a luxury life. I mean, they are living in a bungalow mansions and buying a sports car. It's amazing. This is amazing. So let me tell you guys, in 2019, Ryan Kazi, this 8-year-old kid, yeah, let me tell you one more time, this 8-year-old kid, he made a $22 million in the past 2019 and took the credit of highest paid YouTuber in 2019. I mean, this is fucking insane. He's making millions of dollars on YouTube, but on the other side, most of the people are hardly to earn 31 to $2,000 per month. All credit goes to the power of technology. So guys, that is the power of internet and technology. Or how much ending difference between the US creator and the Indian creator. And after watching this video, I'm sure this will blow your mind. So guys, she is a Selby Church, belongs to the United States. She made videos on traveling, blogging, tech review, and sometime earning money fast, and like how to earn money from Amazon and etc etc. Well, one of his videos she talked about how much money he made over 1 million views. Well, he got 1.1 million views in January, and the money he made on these views is $1,700. Well, on the next month in February, he got 2.2 million views and the money he made is $1,600. Further in March, he got a 1.8 million views and the money he made is $22,900. But the suspense is still yet come. So one of his video got 300,000 views, and the money he made is just fucking insane. So guys, guess the amount what the money he make on 300,000 views. $1,400. I mean, this is just a fucking bullshit thing. He made $3,400 on the video which earned only 300,000 k views. So there is a one more thing, that is CPM. Well, in India the CPM rate is so much low. The CPM rate in India is $1.16, like, or sometimes it goes to $2. But in United States, the CPM rate is $4. Sometimes it goes to $8 to $10. That's a huge difference between in India and the United States. Well, guys, CPM stand for cost per mile, but in YouTube it stand for cost of impression per 1,000 views. That means how much money you can make on over 1,000 views. So guys, only YouTube can decide the rate of CPM in different countries, like in US or Canada or in India. So the criteria of deciding how much CPM rate is the country economy. Like in US, the $1 is nothing. I mean, you can't even buy a proper food in $1. But in India, if you convert the $1 into rupees, 70 rupees, so that's a decent amount for 1,000 views. So that's the main reason why Indian creator are getting less amount in comparison to the foreign YouTuber like US, Canada or Australia. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. See you next one. Peace out.